guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox crashing issue in Windows. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to adjust graphics settings. So for that you need to enter into your game setting. So I'm just entering into the game. Once you enter the game, please press escape and enter into the game setting and scroll down. You may see the graphics mode. Please make it as manual, and then graphics quality, you can decrease or increase your quality based on your system performance. If your system performance is good, please increase your graphics quality, and if it's not good enough, please decrease your graphic quality. So continue your game, and our second step is to clear cache data. If you are using browser version, in the sense you need to enter into your browser and following three dot icon, press clear data, browsing data, and then enable cookies cache, and then click clear data to clear the cache and cookies on your browser. So close all the unwanted application like Discord or Recorder or any other supporting application, and then press Windows R and type %temp% and click OK. Once it's done, you are redirect to your temp folder. Over there you need to find a Roblox folder. Yeah, it's a cache folder. Find and delete the Roblox folder. Yeah, it's over there, please delete it. Once you delete it, please close it. And our third step is to reset and repair Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your settings. In your settings, please click apps. Over the apps you need to select installed apps and search for Roblox, and then click advanced option. Once you enter into your advanced option, please scroll down and you may see reset and repair. First you need to repair your Roblox. After that, check whether if it's working or not. If not, then you can reset your application. Yeah, once it's done, please close the settings and restart your PC. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.